Next, multiplying a polynomial by polynomial. Till now we have seen multiplying different monomials, and next we have seen multiplying monomial to binomial or trinomial. Now we will be seeing multiplying a polynomial by polynomial. Let us understand this by some example. Say first we will start with a binomial. Say 3a plus 4b. This is one binomial, and let us take another one, 2a plus 3b. Now we have taken two binomials. Here there are two terms, here there are two terms. Now we need to multiply this. So we will understand what is the process, how to do. Now see, this is having some terms. This is also having some terms. What we will do is take the first term. Say take this term 3a we will take. Okay, this we will be multiplying with the first one, then we will be multiplying with the second one. Okay, let us do. So what we will do is this 3a, with 3a we are ultimately what we are doing, we are multiplying with all, that is 2a plus 3b. First what we are doing is we are taking the first term and we are multiplying the whole with this 3a. First step over. Next we will be taking this 4b. What is the symbol here? Plus. So we will be taking 4b and we will multiply this 2a plus 3b. So here what we are doing is take the first one and multiply the whole part. Take the second one and multiply the whole part. What is the symbol here? Plus. Plus we are keeping. Now this we have already seen. Multiplying these two and multiplying these two. 3a into 2a plus 3a into 3b. Then next coming to this one, 4b into 2a plus 4b into 3b. This we have seen. Plus, plus. So 3a into 2a, 6a square. Then 3a into 3b, 3 3s are 9, 9ab. Then next 4b into 2a, 4 2s are 8, 8ba, or we can write it as ab, 9ab, plus 4b into 3b, 4 3s are 12b square. So let us understand what we are going to do is take the first one and multiply. Then take the second one and multiply. This process we know already, we have seen. So this we got. Now what we are supposed to do? 6a square, 9ab, 8ab, 12b square. What we are going to do is this we are going to add. While adding, this we will write here and this we will write here, and we are adding by writing one below the other. That is here, if we say 6a square plus 9ab, 6a square plus 9ab we are writing. Next 8ab, 8ab plus 12b square we are writing, and we are adding. Like that we are doing. This is called vertical method. Vertical method means one below the other. Always we cannot do this. Why? Because it will take lot of time and lot of space. So instead of that, what we will do is directly we can add here itself. What we are doing, 9ab plus 8ab, here we are adding now. Here itself we can add. First one, a square. Any a squares are there? No. So write 6a square as it is. Then ab, 9ab plus 8ab. 9 plus 8, 17ab plus 12b square. Here we are adding now the same thing we are doing here. This is called horizontal method and this is called vertical method. So what we are doing, instead of adding, we are adding like this. So the process we understood. To understand more clearly, we will add some more terms to this and we will see. This is binomial to binomial, no? Now what we will do is, we will take one more term. Say for example, a plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. Here what we are doing, this is two terms. Now we have taken three terms. Like that, if we increase, how to do? We will understand the process. The process is simple. What we are going to do, take the first one, a, and with this, with a, multiply the whole, a square plus 3a plus 5. Next, what is there? 7 plus 7 into all, a square plus 3a plus 5. Now, and we will do the simplification. A into a square, a cube plus a into 3a, 3a square. So a into 5, 5a, directly we are writing, plus 7 into a square, 7a square, 7 into 3a, 7 3s are 21, 21a, plus 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. Now we will be adding like terms. A cube, any a cube is there? No, a cube. A square, any a square is there? Here a square is there. Remember, in vertical method we are arranging like terms one below the other and we are adding. Here itself we will add. So what we will do is, this is 3a square and we will keep this 7a square just side by this, 7a square. We got this here. Next, 5a. Any a's are there? Yes, 21a. Then constant 35, 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Got it. Now last step, a cube, 3a square plus 7a square, 3 plus 7, 10a square, 5a plus 21, 5 plus 21, 26a plus 35. So 2 points to remember. The first one, like terms we are getting side by side and we are adding here. And the second point, that is the basic concept how to do this. Take the first term and multiply the whole second part. Take the next one and multiply the whole. Now, instead of a plus 7, if there is something like a plus b plus 7 into this one, if it is there, then what is the process? Take a and multiply like this. Then next, take b and again multiply. Write it. Take 7 and write here. Same process. If we have a plus b plus c plus d into x plus y plus z, a big one, what we are going to do? A into x plus y plus z. Like this we will be writing. Then b into a into complete we are going to write. Then b into complete this one. Then c into again. Then d into again. That is the method. So once we know this process, whatever may be the number of terms, any polynomial, whether it is a binomial, trinomial or any polynomial, then we can proceed. This is the process to multiply polynomial with another polynomial.